So, you know, one of my favorite things is not tilling or not plowing the soil, because you are taking up all those beautiful organisms and bringing them up to the top of the soil and they die. So I'm not a big fan of tilling or plowing. However, sometimes you need to do it. And my hubby is saying that he would love me to extend the garden, and I'm saying, hello, yes, I would like to extend the garden. So we are gonna go out there today and do that. So in order to dig, you need a shovel, and this is my shovel. This is where I'm cheating. So let's go to the garden, or the would-be garden. So what we're doing is, the reason why we're plowing is because it is a hay field. And if last year I tried to garden on that area and it was a disaster because it was full of, you know, I had to shovel really hard. So this year we're going to plow and till, but we're only going to do that once, and then we're never going to do that again on my garden. So today we're doing something that I usually say not to do. We're gonna plow it and get it ready for a new garden. So I'm gonna go in my shovel, in my big shovel. you know when I said don't build a garden that's too big because then you have to take care of it and keep it simple? So I just said to my beautiful husband, okay, we can't plow it too big because then I have to take care of it. So he said, just go do it, hon. Whatever you want to do, just do it. Well, I made it too big. So now I have a great big garden that I have to take care of because when I get on the tractor, I can't stop. And my husband likes to see me on the tractor going running amok, so I got to show you what I did because it's way too big. It's way too big. So when I tell you, you know, don't make your garden way too big because now you're going to have to take care of it. Okay, this is what I did. I made it way too big. So the moral of the story is learn from my mistakes and don't go willy-nilly and start making a great big garden. But anyways, we'll deal with it. We'll just start planting. You have a great day. Because I love the tractor.